Zapier versus Make.com versus n8n. So Zapier is a widely used cloud automation platform focused on ease of use, enabling non-technical users to connect apps and build if this is that and then that workflows. Now Make, on the other hand, or formerly known as Integromat, is a visual automation builder with more depth than Zapier, and it even supports branching logic, advanced workflows, and more control. Then we have n8n, an open source automation platform with self-hosting options targeted at developer-friendly workflows, full flexibility, custom code, and large-scale automation. So let's talk about each of these pros. So for Zapier, they offer massive integration libraries, a beginner-friendly interface, and it is also cloud-hosted and offers low maintenance startup costs. Now for Make, it offers strong workflow capabilities than simple trigger actions. It is also more cost-efficient for moderate complexity. It also is a good middle ground between beginner ease and developer features. Then we have n8n. n8n is an open source and self-hostable. It also is excellent with the flexibility and developer-friendly custom codes. It also has a pricing model which especially is self-hosted and can be extremely cost-effective for high-volume workflows. So overall, if you want to choose, then choose Zapier if you're looking for ease of use, speed to deploy, and broad app support is your top priority. And then choose Make.com if you want a balance between power and usability with moderate cost and more advanced logic. And choose n8n if you prioritize control, scalability, custom integrations, and self-hosting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications